All right, well, you joined me out here with the Tesla Model Y, and we've got something super exciting today, which is we are going to replace these Rimetrix Laminar wheel covers for the Model Y with a brand new set of their just released gray version, as opposed to this dark black one. And this is perfect timing because someone in this family dinged these all up driving around. I mean, to be fair, it was through an accident, but whatever. So we're gonna get this nice new set installed on. I'll show you how easy it is. Stick with me, and let's drive.
That's right.
All right, well, this is the brand new set of gray Rimetrix Laminar wheel covers, and I absolutely love these because, first of all, I think they are just styled so much more nicely than the standard aero cap or aero wheel covers that Tesla gives you. These look a lot more similar to like the induction wheels that are a pretty expensive upgrade, and these are really quite affordable. They are a very nice durable material. It's a very nice feeling, super OEM-y like high-grade plastic that is impact resistant at low speeds. And I mean, you can see just on these ones, like I've had these ones on for, let's see, the car's at 14,000 miles now, so they're probably at least 12, 13,000 miles on, and they look in great shape. And I think this color is gonna hide it even better. So I'm excited to check these out and see kind of how it goes with the styling in the car. I love these black ones because it goes with the roof racks that we've got and the blacked out details that you have on the Model Y in the latest generation. But what's cool about these is they are made in the USA. They are much higher quality than a lot of the Chinese knockoffs that you'll find. And they are made upholding to US environmental standards, which is super important to me. I don't want to be buying stuff that is causing a lot of pollutants or just harming the environment. So this is great to see. And I just think the design of these is super cool, looks awesome on the road, and really looks like something that would be naturally OEM on the Tesla. All right, so I'm gonna show you just how super easy these are to get on, and that is another huge advantage of these, which is they are the only ones that I found that have this just kind of snap on, stick in like the center cap part that clasp it on and hold it on type of design. Everything else I found requires like bolts and just a lot of manual work. Whereas this one, you can get all four of them on and off probably in about less than 10 minutes. So let's see if we can actually do that. So first off, I'm just gonna take these ones off by taking a screwdriver and just popping out the center cap part, which is super easy to do. All right, so the best way to do this is actually to use a soft cloth that you can wrap around the head of the screwdriver to create a nice prying point and then just kind of wedge it out. All right, now that's off, and this wheel cover is just gonna pop right off super easily. All right, now watch just how easy this is to do. Boom, done. And what's great about these are, I'm gonna install these on here, on the other ones too, but these nice little foam pads that go all around the outside that actually protect the rim. And you can see, we got a little bit of dirt in there, but otherwise, this is held up super well. It has protected the rims, and I just love that about these. They're the only ones that I found that really truly cover edge to edge on the rims. And I see a ton of Teslas out there, especially Model 3s, but Model Ys too, Models Y, that have just a ton of rim rash on them from people curbing the wheels. So these are just an awesome option to protect and extend the longevity of those. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is just take this one and the new one, and I'm just gonna put the little foam pads all around the end. We've got this sheet of them. We've got 28 on here, so if my math is right, that gives us 7 per wheel cover. So let's get those on there. All right, so you can see I've got those all lined up on there now. Took me about a minute, and all I've got to do now really is line up the valve stem little cutout piece here with the valve stem, which you'll see I've got this awesome little Tesla version on. I got off of Amazon. And now I'm just gonna boom, that is on, and get the cap. All right, so we've got a nice new shiny wheel cap cover here, and that's just gonna go straight on. Make sure the little clips line up. And I just love how easy that is, and that's on now. And that is never gonna go anywhere. So that is just absolutely perfect. I love how easy that is to install. And let's just take a little comparison look here. So that is the nice gray one. And then back there, we've got the black one. So very close in color, but you can see the gray one just a little bit lighter. I think is nice. All right, so now I'm just gonna repeat the process and get all 4 of them on. All right, I think that those look pretty darn sweet. And if you don't like just the little R for Rimetrix caps in the center there, you can actually get this set here. It's actually just stickers that go on with the Tesla logo that I had on the old set on Amazon, and I'll have the link for these below as well. Yeah, okay, which one do we like? So the front one is the new gray one, and the back is the black.
Hi, we have a dear friend here. What
do you think?
Okay, so with the tires, the color that they are right now, I kind of like the gray because it blends in more.
Mm-hmm.
But like when the tires are like washed and shiny, I like the black more.
Interesting.
So you're gonna have to change them on the car.
Okay. Well, good news for you. It'll be a while before it gets washed. All right. Well, there's the side-by-side comparison. I think we're gonna go with gray for now, for the summer at least. Give us a nice.
Give me a new one to scratch up.
Yeah, nice new look. No one said it was you. Look up behind you. All right, well, there you have it. The Rimetrix Laminar brand new gray wheel covers for Tesla Model Y. You can get these for Model 3 as well. And yeah, I think stunning. Way better looking than the Aero covers for sure. I think just as good looking as the turbine wheel covers, or wheels I should say. And I've noticed that these really have just as good efficiency, if not even better than the stock Aero ones. And I think it's just a great way to make your car stand out a little bit more and make it look a little bit different. So if you're interested in getting a set, I will have the link below. Make sure to check out Rimetrix. Use my code TeslaTyler to save 10%, which is a fantastic deal because you will not find these on sale very often. And honestly, I would recommend these even at full price. Getting that 10% off is really amazing. So yeah, I mean, something that I've been using since just about day one with the car here, and absolutely fully endorse. All right, well, with that, I hope you enjoyed watching just how easy it is to get these changed out and how much better it makes the car look. With that, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I've got tons of other Tesla accessories on the channel as well, and we've got a ton of road trips coming up, a lot of EV reviews, and hopefully we'll be getting our Rivian soon too. With that, thanks for watching, and we will see you out there on the road.